we're gonna fix a painting today. I have this beautiful painting, not made by me, from Leonid Afremov I purchased before he passed away. So again, I didn't make... I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of like warped a little bit. Like the canvas is sagging. So today we're gonna fix it. I'm sure it'll decrease the value of the painting, but I'm keeping it. We're gonna prime the back of it, so let's... This is my shitty little paint corner. My cats have to be involved in absolutely everything I'm doing. You can use any primer, but I'm using Valspar house paint because I work at a hardware store. Gonna mix it up real good. I got my paintbrush just a little bit wet. You don't want it too wet or it'll like drip. Again, this one is a vertical piece, so we're gonna paint up and down. And see his name, Leonid Afremov 2019. That's when he made this piece. I think I'm gonna paint around that. Most of the sagging is at the bottom anyway. It's been a while since I've used this primer, so I don't know, I might have to do 2 coat. With the nature of the canvas, I'm not gonna get it like 100%, but I'm gonna get in all the corners and like the crevices. But I'm gonna try and make sure I don't get any on the actual painting that's stretched over to the back. Now, why am I doing this? I'm doing this because I want to hang up this beautiful piece. After I purchased it, I never got around to hanging it up. And so this is going to fix the warping that you see in the front. It's not going to be a saggy canvas anymore. And again, I'm keeping this for personal house decoration. And this artist first inspired me to start painting. Sadly, he is passed away now. And so it's a lot harder to like get his work. Almost done applying the first coat. I've got everything painted that I want, so now I'm going to put this back into the office to dry so the cats can't get it. My kitten is trying to get my paintbrush, and then later I'll probably get my boyfriend to help me hang it up. But thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful.